Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to talk about ordered dictionaries. So an ordered dictionary works like a regular dictionary, but the important thing about the ordered dictionary is that they remember the insertion order of keys. So an ordered dictionary is a dictionary that remembers the order in which keys were inserted into this dictionary, and they are very useful. For example, they can maintain the order. Unlike the older version of Python dictionaries, ordered dictionary keeps a key insertion order. It's very important, particularly if we are talking about if you're working with JSON processing or, for example, configuration files, and these are the situations in which the order is very important. So when the order is very important for us, it's better to use the ordered dictionary. They are ideal for this situation, and they support move to end function, which helps us to reorder the elements. So in the following videos, we are going to do some coding exercises with respect to different aspects of ordered dictionary, so you see that how we can use them, implement them, and how useful they are. Thank you for watching.